What's up guys, check out these Linkind solar LED spotlights. So it comes in a pack of 2 and it comes apart, but they're easy to assemble. You just twist this thing on at the bottom, very easy to do like so. What's really cool about these is that you can move and manipulate the lights and the solar panels to make sure you get the most sun and also angle the light wherever you want it to go. Also, it comes with screws in case you want to screw them into a wall. We're just gonna put them into the ground with the stake and not use the screws, but that's an option for you as well. So there's different settings. So you just press the button at the bottom, turn it on, and then it goes even brighter, and then it turns off. So you have two settings really, light and then bright light. And that's how it works. We're gonna go ahead and put them in the ground. We'll just put them right here. Goes in pretty easy and looks like that. So go ahead, check it out.